Cupping therapy is a healing modality that has been around throughout civilized time, and most cultures around the world have some familiarity with the tool being used as a healing device. Modern Cupping Therapy is a company that we created so we could focus on the education of cups being used for any bodywork practitioner, from massage therapy and acupuncture to physical therapy and even athletic trainers. We teach people how to safely use this amazing tool and the dynamic potential that's there.
Then we're going to start sliding cups along the erector spinae and over the ribs. We will do the upper shoulders and the low back in that beautiful figure 8 over the sacrum. It feels delicious.
So every day in our class is a little different. We do structure it that we start with a lecture in the morning, so we give them the information. That goes into a demonstration so they see what they're going to do. And then every participant both practices hands-on and then afterwards receives it, so they know what they're seeing as well as what they're feeling. Every day varies a little bit, but that's our basic structure. So for the client that is unaware of what cups do, ultimately they know that it improves circulation. A lot of people see those cupping marks, and that is just one benefit. It helps release things that are stuck in the muscles. But cups also help to clear stagnant fluids for things like cellulite or circulation challenges. We even work with scar tissue. We work with pulmonary conditions. Cups are amazing because they can be altered to benefit so many different conditions for so many different people, clients, family, and friends. So 2 cup tension holds. Play with this today. You have 2 hands. You can make that an extension of what you want to do as a body worker. So modern cupping therapy is different than other cupping practices or educational areas that you find, because we focus on the science, the safety, and making sure that it's applicable for anyone that does body work. Because a lot of times you find people doing cupping therapy that is more Chinese medicine related, but they might not know Chinese medicine. Or people are doing stronger or prolonged applications that lead to tissue damage or dysfunction. So we pride ourselves at Modern Cupping Therapy that we focus on showing you what the body is responding with to cups, like what happens when a cup is on the body. We really focus on letting people understand what a cup does. So now we have them moving up and down the back line. I also want you to start sliding over the rib cage. Many people teach cupping to say, a cupping mark is good for you. But why? And a lot of people are bruising people. We don't bruise people. We know the science of what we're doing, and sometimes great benefits happen without ever marking the tissue. At Modern Cupping Therapy, we focus on showing how to use the tool safely. Whether you mark someone or not is irrelevant. You know, ultimately, at the end of the day, we know that we aren't the only teaching company in the world, but we take pride knowing that we've had so many people come to us from all different schools that have learned many different ways to use cups, but we have never had a student come to us say that they learned better information elsewhere. So we pride ourselves knowing that we are at the top of our game. We are approved by many boards to provide continuing education, not only for massage therapists, but acupuncturists, athletic trainers. We have all the states of the US, Canada. We do international education. We are going around the world doing this. And people ask us time and time again, when can we come to your class? And we invite everyone to do it when they're ready.